Ayan. Kaya, sad lang yun. You got more, guys? Yeah, mahirap yung mga ganyan. Dapat respeto. Kahit anong level ng tao. Kahit anong status ng tao, mahirap, mayaman. Yeah. Ganito nga lang tayo mag-vlog, no? Sila, talaga, to the max.
Oh, looky, I got all
Let me see. Oo. To the max pala sila mag-vlog. Tayo, simple lang yung mga natin. Share lang. Ganito lang tayo. Sila talagang todo pala.
Let me make a cake.
Diyos me. Ay, ganon. Pero pag sikat, hindi ka naman dapat magyabang na kung sikat ka, di ba? Dapat kung sikat ka, lalo kang maging humble. Ala, baka puntahan tayo dito, grabe. Dapat lang, pag sikat na ba, kailangan maging ganun na ugali? Yun ba dapat, pag sikat na? Ha? Yan, dapat pag sikat, lalo kang pakita yung kagandahang loob. Yun. Minsan mas maganda pa yung mga politician na kahit paano plastic, respeto, ganun, di ba? Charot. Ang vlogger naman, oy. Yeah. Jelana, how many you did? Maricar. No? Pag sikat, kailangan humble. Yan. Saka wag manlait ng kapwa Pinoy. I mean, kahit kanino, wag manglait. Ganun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jelana. Happy birthday to
Mom.
Okay. Make a wish. Make a wish. What's your wish?
I did a new toy.
Okay. Toy again. Okay. Thank you. What'd you do?
What do you do?
Laro-laro si Jelana eh.
Let me show you how to do this.
Laro siya maghapon. Yan ang ginagawa niya maghapon. Laro-laro.
I made a cake to Mommy.
Oh, you making a cake?
Yeah, a big cake. A big cake.
A big cake this time?
Yeah.
Tapos andun si Jade, basa-basa ng libro. Yan. Salamat sa mga patamsak.
He's reading her book.
Yep.
Yeah, we did book.
Jelana, did you read your book today?
Yes,
How many page?
5.
5 page. Did she?
Yes.
She did.
Upong maayos, anak. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she's making me a big cake. Wow.
I made you a cake. Right there.
Flat cake?
It's the cheese stuff.
Oh, cheesecake?
Ew, see? Who do that?
Oh, you step on the... Oh, Jelana, you step on it.
Oh, wait, Tally.
Then now you like, if Jade or Julene step on it, you're gonna cry. Yeah.
No.
Right?
Okay.
Now your feet is gonna get dirty. No, just leave it alone.
What do you know?
Are you gonna take a shower again?